Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change the look of our accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now we have our button at the bottom of the right corner of the screen, as you can see from here. So how to change the look of our accessibility button? We need to go to settings, then in accessibility we have advanced settings, and in here at the top we have accessibility button, and we have two options right here. So we can have a navigation bar as we have right now, or we can have our floating buttons. So when we add or remove functions, as you can see, the button, all our functions will be visible on our button if we need to. Of course, we can change size of this button. We can use the function to fade if not in use, or we can simply change transparency of this function. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and goodbye.